Hello guys, welcome back to the Brutal Investor channel. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day today. In this episode, we're going to talk about a token that was recently listed on Coinbase, and this project is called Alchemy Pay or the ACH token, right? Again, as always guys, I highly recommend you guys to do your own research on any of the projects we cover on our channel. And for this project, I recommend you guys to go to the website alchemytech.io in order to learn more about this project, right? So before we move on to Alchemy, I just want to talk to you guys about Gateio. Gateio is one of the most popular centralized exchanges that lists low market cap gems before they get listed on any major centralized exchanges. That includes Binance and Coinbase. This means you have the opportunity to buy cryptocurrencies way before they get listed on major centralized exchanges, thereby increasing your profitability to 10, 20, 50 or even 100x in gains, right? By using the link in the description or on the screen right now to create your own Gateio account, you will not only be able to buy low market cap gems before they hit the major exchanges, but you'll also be getting 30% of trading rebate through the link that you use in the description, right? And by using the link, you're also supporting the Brutal Investor channel, for which I thank you in advance. So going back to Alchemy Pay, for the purpose of this video, we're going to rely on the information present on CoinMarketCap's page for this token, which means this is only going to be a peripheral analysis, which means you need to do your own in-depth research before you put your hard-earned money on this token, right? So what is Alchemy Pay? Alchemy Pay is a pioneer of the world's first payment gateway solution to bridge the gap between fiat and crypto economies. In addition to crypto payments, Alchemy Pay enables seamless and easy access to crypto investment, blockchain solutions, and DeFi services configured as required to serve sophisticated veterans as well as those new to cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. So, what Alchemy Pay aims to do is it aims to become the world's first payment gateway solution that not only enables bridging of fiat and crypto economies, but it also enables seamless and easy way to invest in crypto or blockchain solutions and DeFi services without the requirement of a sophisticated blockchain technology, right? So you basically use blockchain technology in order to achieve a seamless gateway between crypto and fiat economies, right? So that's basically what Alchemy Pay is aiming to achieve. Founded in 2018, Alchemy grew from a practical base of merchant networks, including Hong Kong's biggest furnishing company, PriceRite, Singapore's C La Vie, Canadian footwear brand Aldo, software technology firm Arcadier, and Midwest Global Asia Taxi Services. So, from 2018 onwards, the project Alchemy started taking shape, and it was basically growing its merchant network from some of the biggest furnishing companies in Hong Kong, Singapore, Canadian footwear brand, software technology firm, as well as Midwest Asian global taxi services. So it kind of expanded its services to a whole bunch of countries and a whole bunch of companies in different parts of the world. As Alchemy Pay steadily grew, its partnerships with Binance and QF Pay increased its end user and merchant touch points to millions, including customers of e-commerce giant Shopify. So when it comes to growth, Alchemy Pay was actually growing at an incredible pace, and this basically allowed it to partner with Binance and QF Pay, and this partnership even further increased its growth and made Alchemy Pay available to millions of touch points, and also serve one of the biggest e-commerce giant, Shopify, as well, right? So Alchemy Pay is definitely doing a lot to get real world adoption of a cryptocurrency product, which is pretty cool to see because a lot of other projects will follow suit pretty soon, right? So what is ACH? Alchemy pays ERC20 token. ACH is used to incentivize the participation of all key roles of the Alchemy Pay crypto fiat hybrid ecosystem. So ACH is the native token, which is an ERC20 token on the Alchemy network, on the Alchemy platform, and it basically incentivizes the participation of all key roles in the Alchemy Pay crypto fiat hybrid ecosystem, right? So it basically allows for participation within the ecosystem itself, and ACH tokens can be pledged, rewarded, accumulated, and paid as fees plus confer voting rights in token governance or community scenarios. So not only can you pay and pledge ACH tokens, you can also reward it and also get paid a fee in the form of ACH tokens, in order to participate in governance and community scenarios, right? So now we are going to the most important section: what makes Alchemy Pay unique? So why would you have to focus on Alchemy Pay compared to several other projects? Alchemy Pay was founded by a team of fiat gateway industry veterans from Singapore and China. So obviously, the founders from Singapore and China, who were heavily involved in this project, were, creating Alchemy Pay, and these people were fiat, payment gateway veterans. So they were basically understanding the system and how they can improve the system. They also shared a deep interest in the emerging crypto industry and a vision to build a practical bridge between fiat and crypto. So these people, not only being veterans, they also had a strong motivation to build a bridge between fiat and crypto, and that's how they kind of created Alchemy Pay, right? The Alchemy Pay system enables participation in both fiat and crypto ecosystems to achieve fast, secure, convenient, flexible, and scalable global payment solutions based on decentralized smart contract, second layer scaling solutions, on-chain analytics, and consensus mechanisms of blockchain technology. So obviously, Alchemy Pay enables fiat and crypto ecosystems to bridge together by using fast, secure, decentralized, flexible, and secure global payment solutions to make this happen, right? The Alchemy Pay ecosystem offers transactions with multiple cryptocurrencies, cross-chain payments, peer-to-peer payments, combined payments, conditional payments, escrow payments, and more, including fiat options for each. So they enable the a whole wide variety of payment services from their platform, right? While some high-profile agendas view fiat currency in an entirely negative light, Alchemy Pay has chosen instead to build an interface bridging rather than leaving the fiat world behind. So in crypto space, when you see, there's two types of people who believe that fiat is destined to fail and fiat will not exist, and there's another group of people who basically believe that fiat and crypto can coexist side by side, right? So amongst these two people, it seems like Alchemy has chosen to kind of go with the latter, in order to kind of continue to coexist and even bridge cryptocurrencies with fiat instead of trying to hate fiat and kind of believe that fiat will go away. I do believe that fiat will kind of remain in many parts of the world. It won't really go away. It will kind of become a CBDC instead. But Alchemy also seems to believe the same, because they believe that fiat and crypto needs to be bridged rather than fiat being targeted as this as this evil that shouldn't exist, right? So I think Alchemy Pay is definitely doing the great things here. So when it comes to network security, obviously that section is not covered here, but since it is a part of the Ethereum blockchain, the Ethereum security definitely covers Alchemy's network, and that's how it facilitates Alchemy's kind of best transactions and high throughput capabilities are possible thanks to Ethereum security. But they do allow for their own gateways to be created, which allows for easier transaction, even though Ethereum by itself is very slow, right? So when it comes to the actual website itself, alchemytech.io, it's the place that's the place where you find more information about Alchemy Pay. I like their logo and all the graphics that they're doing here. So overall, if you see, its main focus to bridge fiat and crypto economies, pioneer of the world's first hybrid payment system. So if you want to connect with them, you can click on the connect with this button here. We drive blockchain adoption by bridging the gap between crypto and fiat worlds. So they do plan to make sure that they bring fiat and crypto closer than ever before. Alchemy Pay in action. So if you want to watch this video, which is a highly informative video, which I highly recommend you guys to watch about, this is a really good video that will tell you what Alchemy Pay is all about, right? If you see, more than 70 countries and 300 plus fiat channels are using Alchemy Pay currently as we speak, and trusted review. So it definitely has been given a go ahead by Binance's CEO CZ Roger Ver, who's the founder of Bitcoin Cash as well as Bitcoin.com, as well as Justin Sun, who is the CEO and founder of Tron and BitTorrent. So OKX's exchange CEO Jay Yao, and F2 Pool and Kobo, Discuss Fish, and so on and so forth. So those are the people who have endorsed this project. They are partnered with Shopify, Arcadier, QFPay, Midwest Global Asia, C La Vie, Price Right, OtPay, Aldo, Patent, etc. So these are all partners who work with Alchemy Pay in order to facilitate transaction of the ACH cryptocurrency or any other cryptocurrency for that matter through Alchemy Pay, right? So blockchain partners include Binance, Huobi, NIM, DAO Maker, Gemini, OKEX, Celo, Kobo, BUSD, Polygon, Neo, ARPA, Near, Tron, Chainlink, and many more, right? So these are all the blockchain partners who work closely with Alchemy Pay. We build the world's first crypto fiat payment infrastructure. And if you scroll below, they provide C2B and B2B payments. And if you see, online and in-app payments are available, offline payments also available. So a lot of options are available for merchants as well as for users. So the ACH token is a supply capped smart contractable utility token at the heart of Alchemy Pay's ecosystem. The tokens are pledged, rewarded, and paid by all participants to facilitate all activities within the Alchemy ecosystem, plus confer voting rights in token governance or community scenarios. Even though that's a mouthful, it's something that we already covered before. If you scroll below, the token obviously listed on Coinbase, Binance, Huobi Global, Gateio, and in Uniswap as well. But recently, this token has been available in PancakeSwap as well because it's part of the Binance Smart Chain ecosystem. So you can technically buy this token from Binance Smart Chain in a BEP20 version, right? And if you wait till the end of this video, I will also tell you how you can earn some free Alchemy tokens, because you can technically earn them in the Binance Smart Chain, right? So at the end, you can clearly see that they have their social media information, which you can go through in order to become a part of their social media community, and you can download their logos if you want to as well, right? So overall, pretty straightforward platform. It's definitely a very rapidly growing and popular platform that's growing to become one of the largest decentralized crypto payment gateways in the world, which I'm pretty sure it's definitely going to reach, right? So going back to the coin market cap page for this token is currently ranked 275th by market cap and coin market cap, and is currently trading at 4.7 cents at the time I'm making this video, and it had a 6.27% decrease in the past 24 hours. Again, this is because of the fact that, as I mentioned, you can technically earn ACH tokens for free in Binance Smart Chain. I'll tell you, if you watch till the end of the video, how you can do that. So if you earn free ACH tokens, you are obviously going to dump it, and that's one of the reasons why this token is dumping right now, because people who are earning free ACH tokens are dumping it, and that's causing a 6.25% decrease in the past 24 hours. The market cap is also shrinking, but currently it's kind of like in the $187 or $188 million in market cap. This is also going to be like shrinking in the upcoming days as a lot of people continue to dump this token, right? But with regards to how much this platform has managed to achieve in such a short period of time, the market cap being so low is quite surprising, which means I feel like this token definitely has at least another 5 to 10x potential in the upcoming months to a few years, right? When it comes to max supply, this token has a max supply of 10 billion tokens, which is very huge, and the circulating supply is 4.01 billion tokens, which is about 40% of the max supply. The circulating supply ratio is quite good because a lot of tokens have less than 5 to 10% of their max supply in circulation, but this token has 40% in circulation. But the concerning part is obviously the max supply, which doesn't seem to be having any scarcity built into it. Even though this project is quite a good project, I think the tokenomics is quite bad. And again, I understand the reasoning for them to have such a huge max supply, because I think, by being a gateway token, you need to have such a huge volume in order to attract people and to provide them incentives. But I think, the fact that the token doesn't have scarcity is definitely concerning, because even in the mid to long term, I think this token will face price slumping because of a lot of tokens getting dumped into the market, which will end up in the circulating supply soon, right? So there's definitely some concerns with the tokenomics, but overall, I think the project is still better than many other projects, right? If you take a look at the charts itself, again, you can clearly see that the token did not do anything, until a specific period of time, which is when the token went parabolic, right? The token was initially trading at 2.4 cents per token as of 2020, like September 2020, and then this token was kind of dumping. It reached a low point of less than 1 cent per token, reaching as low as 0.003, 0.004 dollars per token throughout 2021, and then it went somewhat higher and then lower. It was quite flat throughout 2021 until July of 2021, end of July of 2021, this token went from 0.0027 dollars per token to a new all-time highs of close to 16 cents per token, which was ballistic. But it only reached it was only at that place for quite some for a quite few time. But this token kind of dumped after that, reaching a price point of about slightly less than 8 cents per token, and then it was volatile quite frequently, reaching a price of about 4 cents per token as of 26th of October 2021, and then it was quite volatile, and then from there it was kind of like dumping. It was dumping recently, but obviously after the availability of this token in Binance Smart Chain, the token went from 3.5 cents to a relative highs of about 5.7 cents, and now it's in the dumping phase again. I think this token is definitely a good token to kind of like wait on, because it's a token that will potentially go below the 40 cents mark, which will 4 cents mark, which will be a good opportunity to buy this token. Currently it's at 4.7 cents. If it goes below the 4 cents, which will be a really good opportunity to buy in. And I think any price below the 4, which is about 3.9 and all the way below, would definitely be a good opportunity to dollar cost average into this token, right? But again, as I mentioned, the tokenomics is definitely going to slump the price of this token, at least in the short term to mid to short term. In the long term, unless there's a lot of demand, I don't think a lot of people will hold on to this token, and they will probably dump this token as well, right? But this is just my verdict, guys, from financial advice. Please do your own research before you buy this token, right? When it comes to the Bitcoin comparative, you can clearly see that the Bitcoin comparative is also quite flat. It hasn't really done a lot. Initially, the token was worth 234 satoshis per token, but then it immediately declined to an all-time lows of about 12 satoshis or even 13 satoshis per token throughout 2021, and then it reached a new all-time high of about 400 satoshis per token before crashing down. And then recently this token kind of spiked a bit before being listed on the Binance Smart Chain ecosystem, and now it's kind of in the dumping phase again, right? Currently it's slightly less than 115 satoshis per token, so that's pretty much the current price of this token, right? As I said, this token is definitely going to go down even lower. Maybe it will break below the 100 to 90 satoshis per token, which will be a good opportunity to buy this token with Bitcoin comparative, right? So at this price point, you should not buy this token. I think this token will definitely go below, and that's why you need to buy this token, right? When it comes to the markets itself, this token is available on Binance, Coinbase Exchange, Huobi Global, and Gateio. I wouldn't trust anything below Gateio, but overall, since Binance, Coinbase, Huobi Global, and Gateio have listed this token has a lot of liquidity, so price manipulations are going to be quite rare or hard. But overall, there is still a lot of growth potential for this token, right? So what's my final verdict on this token, guys? I think this token is definitely a token that you can make money on in the short term if you know what you're doing. If you want to buy this token for the mid to long term perspective, I would probably hold off, because there is definitely a huge token supply, which will get relentlessly dumped into the exchange, thereby reducing the overall value of this token. But I think for now, it's safe to say that this token could cross like 7 to 8 cents per token in the next few weeks, and maybe if you're lucky, we can cross above the 10 cents mark. I think in the long run, which is again 3 to 5 years from now, I think this token definitely has a potential to cross like maybe uh, maybe like 40 to 60 cents per token. That's probably something that this token can do, but I think that will depend on a lot of factors, including whether this token continues to be relevant when it comes to traction, and if they start making partnerships with many other merchants as well, right? So now to let you guys know how you can earn this token for free, if you go to PancakeSwap, and go to Syrup Pool, you can basically earn this token for free by staking some cake tokens, and you can earn this token at an APR of 108.78 at the time of making this video. As a lot of people start staking their cake tokens, this APR will go down, but you can stake a maximum of 100 cake per 100 cake for this particular pool in order to earn ACH tokens, right? So if you're definitely interested in earning this token for free passively while you're doing your research, you can obviously like stake your cake tokens, but you need to have your cake tokens and Binance Smart Chain set up at MetaMask in order for this to happen, right? So you technically can earn 108.78% APR on a token that obviously just got available on Binance Smart Chain, right? But again, remember guys, by signing up a Gateio account, you're making yourself available to buy a lot of low market cap gems that can easily 10, 20 and even 100x if you are careful about it. And again, by using the link in the referral link in the description below, you are not only increasing your chances of that, you're also getting a 30% free rebate. So I would appreciate you support this channel, right? So again, remember guys, you guys are not regular investors, you guys are brutal investors, so stay brutal. Thank you very much for watching my video guys. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. See you in my next video. Bye.